Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Expedia flight to Apple Wallet. So first, in your Expedia app, head over and start booking a flight. So from here, you can use the search filter, add in details about your flight. So once the details have been entered correctly and the payment for the flight is of course already done, you should then get a confirmation email or confirmation message on your email regarding your recently booked flight. And from there, you should be able to see the Add to Apple Wallet button, just the same with what you're seeing on your screen. So of course, all you have to do is click on that button and then your Expedia flight will then be added to your Apple Wallet. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye! And once you've decided, you can head over and send it via mail or through in person. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!